the oil, the soy sauce, the bell pepper, whatever, pepper. Magandang gabi there. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon. And what's the time there? Today. Wow, nice. Guys, I have 2 cups already of chamomile tea. Oy, Marion! Thank you, Marion. Try ko yan. Na-try mo ba yung mais na kape? Yung lulutuin mo sa kahoy. Susunogin mo yung kape na mais. Masarap na yan. Matagal hindi ko na na-try. Excuse me. Masarap yun, Marion. Masarap. Maraming benepisyo na ibibigay pag umiinom ka ng kape na mais. Pwede rin yung bigas, pero ay, may mais pala ako dito. Ito na mais. Ito. Kunin ko. Enjoy your tea. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. PMC. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Rice, pure rice. And then corn grits. This one. Parang walang ganyan dito sa Jupiter. Nasa Jupiter. Ay, sorry naman. Nasa Jupiter ka pala. Nasa Jupiter ka pala. Mayon. Ito. That is corn grits here. Sean. Rice is life here in Philippines. Because rice is our staple food. So, let's eat rice from time to time. Every day, every hour, every minute. Nais kong makita, halos isumpa sa lakit na naidulot. Proud mix. Thank you, my lion cream. Maglaro man ako, Miss Shangi. Sige, enjoy, Marion. Thank you for making me smile and laughing all the time, every time you are here. You're welcome. Proud mix, thank you. So, malungkot kasi ako now eh. Huwag kang malungkot, nandito lang ako. Ay, pasayahin kita. Farm shout out. Oh! Maglaro muna kami na sarili ko.
Y'all, it's me, PMC from the farmland. I just wanted to give y'all a short, so you know I ain't capping. It's all love. Shout out Wayne Gang. For love to you. Y'all, it's me, yes. Fried chicken and French fries.
Oh, I love French fries. I am both.
Food classic. I hope you guys enjoy this short. Because they do get a lot of views, so let's see how this turns out.
I'm watching your shorts video, PMC.
Look at that.
I love French fries. I don't like much chicken.
A certain length, you know how that go. I'm gonna focus on
just for my voice.
Enjoy, because I'm about to. Peace out.
Salamat.
Fried
Walang
chicken
ano
and
man.
French fries. Hope. Y'all, it's me, PMC.
It's another one. Peace.
What up, y'all? It's me, PMC. This is where I work. This is the farmland. This is home away
When you
from
watch
home.
my own videos.
I'm just tired of embodying this environment.
Why
This
though?
pure peace. You know, and y'all know silence is the best weapon. That's one of my main philosophies. It's a principle I try to follow the best as I can.
I love your
I just want
voice.
y'all to hear peace.
Yeah, let me peace on it. I just don't know. Left there